VEC member teams, all we are strongly working behind for the national conference. So national conference where we are launching the first product, a bit of Pichela already said to you. Huh? Which one? Pulsapa. Are you in the hall? Huh? Which one? Soap. That too?
Four varieties,
Four varieties.
versions.
Correct? So that day, even the building going to start, even that day you can see physically. Maybe diamonds can get a complimentary
Bluetooth
gift.
connected.
Maybe diamonds all going to get a complimentary gift from management, all four soaps. Why? Because the same Sheraton they have to take bath. The next day they have to tell tomorrow, hey, see. Eh? Correct. Fine. And of course, February 14th, we identify the day for the next one product, wonderful product. We already have one of our product, ManLift. Okay, so now that is withdrawn for Indian market, strongly totally reserved for international market. Okay, so we are not withdrawn ManLift. Don't think in the mind. Because maybe competitors may thinking that, well, they launched one product, they withdrawn. No, withdrawn for Indian market. But for the international market, definitely ManLift will be there. No doubt. There's a big craze for ManLift outside India. So, ManLift 2.0. 2.0, second version, adding some ingredients, again formula little changes will happen. We're coming out with a new product. That's February 14th. February 14th is
Valentine's Day,
Valentine's Day.
very much required.
I know, that's the reason we fixed that. Okay? And we identified the place, Goa.
Arre wow. Wow.
This time not in Bengaluru. Okay? Bengaluru people got bored, sir. Every time you are, keeping all the lunch only here. You can keep somewhere else so that we can also come. So that is the reason. Only for you people we are kept. No, we're just going for Goa. So February 14th, you can block your dates, book your tickets, flight or train or whatever. Okay. Even the hotel also identified. The hotel 5-star hotel. The hotel name is Hard Rock.
Wow. One night or 2 nights, sir?
As you wish, you are only paying. No? Eh? See, event going to be there for 3 hours. Okay?
That's okay.
There you are going to get good high tea, snacks. Okay? Because we don't want to provide a dinner. In Goa, if we provide dinner, many more people can question, sir, if you take dinner, we can't go to other place. So that is the reason we have snacks, one high tea. So, please sit down, sir. I'm not getting.
Distributor's product will be like a ban entry itself only.
I'll come back. Because I'm just preparing my mind.
FM mode. Line in.
While entering the hall, I got a little headache. That's what I went out outside and taken coffee. Still, I'm not copying up my mind. Fine. So, that day we are launching our new version product, the second version of ManLift. The name of
Bulls.
Bulls everyone knows about Jallikattu. Correct? Tamil Nadu, Jallikattu, everyone knows. That is we call it as Kalai. Jallikattu Kalai. Okay? That's the real bull. Okay? So even I requested to Dr. Chella, to the board, why can't you place that bulls, that too with some angle posture is there. Okay? That is important. Okay? So even last week we had a board meeting. Board meeting we are just discussing about these things and all. And you know, the bulls are definitely going to hit in a big way in terms of pricing, efficacy more than Manlift. We try to match the pricing close to Drums Up price.
Very nice.
Don't clearly understand the word. Try to match.
Acha.
If I announce anything, if you ask question, I tried my best level, but I failed. Okay?
Diplomatic answer, sir.
So, because we are working on it, many things. Because my aim as a CEO, as in the marketing head, my aim is, you know, all the Indian companies or MNC companies, they're fixing the product pricing nowadays. I'm just checking all above is 7,000, 10,000, 15,000. Being an Indian company, being Indians, we sense the Indian packet size. Okay, the wallet size. So that is the reason we are strongly working on it. You know, we give you the definitely better price. So in the Elite pack, we already have all the products. Price wise, the Drums Up now go to mini pack is added.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, pray to God, Bulls Up also going to be added in the same
Range.
pricing range. Okay? And after that, you will have more choice. There will be 3 choices. Okay? The joining, new joiners. Okay? The sign up, you will have a more. So, considering all line of products, and from my angle, our angle, the 2021 we are looking for is Libidos. This is not a joke, because during lockdown, every company, the entire world has handicapped. Correct? In that situation also, we have come out with a new product, Drums Up and Mirror. Don't forget it. I watched all the companies who are now being in this industry during lockdown, nearing expiry date products and all, they pushed out like anything. But we are the only company launched new product lines. So this year, definitely we're going to get a wonderful year with the Libidos, provided what is your part. Very, very important. So we come to Mission 2021. Now the next 15-20 minutes, now we'll go for a small workshop. It's highly required. The Mission 2021, if you're looking for big success, the startup definitely going to be a little hard time. If not hard time, definitely we're not going to get a success in a proper way. Sitting in comfort zone, all the time looking for success, never going to reach. So now another 20 minutes, we're going for a workshop. Or I can say in another 20 minutes, you're all going to become a students now, college students.
Okay, sir.
Just how many of you going to welcome? You're going back to the college days? Huh? So today you got the tools in our hand, right? Where you can check one tool, the name of My Success Guide, is there or not? take in your hand. Can I have one success date?